In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit on Zoho Books. We'll walk through the simplest way to review changes in your account using the built-in audit trail report, so you can quickly see who did what and when across your books. This is ideal for maintaining internal controls, supporting compliance, and resolving data discrepancies with confidence. First, head to the left panel in Zoho Books and click Reports. This is your central hub for everything related to summaries and activity across your account. Inside Reports, locate the Activity category. This section groups all the reports that track user actions and system events, and it's exactly where the audit information lives. Next, select the Audit Trail report. This report is designed to provide a chronological record of changes made in your organization. Think of it as an accountability log. It helps you trace edits, creations, and deletions, along with the user responsible for each action. At the top, click Run Report. Zoho Books will begin generating the audit trail based on your organization's data. Depending on how much activity you've had, this might take a moment, but once it loads, you'll see a clear timeline of events. What you'll typically see includes the date and time of the action, the user who performed it, the module involved, and the type of change, such as creating a new invoice, editing a bill, or deleting a transaction. You may also see details that describe what changed, which can be helpful when you're verifying adjustments or investigating anomalies. Use this information to confirm that entries were posted as intended and that approvals or edits align with your internal processes. A quick tip: make sure you're signed in to the correct organization if you manage multiple entities. Also, access to audit data can depend on your role and permissions, so if you can't open the report, an account administrator may need to grant you the appropriate rights. That's not a technical issue. It's a standard safeguard to keep sensitive logs visible only to authorized users. The audit trail is especially useful during month-end close and annual reviews. It lets you retrace steps, confirm who made changes to key records, and validate that corrected entries were handled properly. It's also a great tool for training and accountability, because it provides a transparent view of how your team interacts with financial data. And that's it. Click Reports, go to Activity, open Audit Trail, and run the report. You now have a reliable, time-stamped record of activity in Zoho Books, ready for review whenever you need it.